Hi guys, in today's recipe I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken spaghetti. This is a delicious recipe with a combination of South Asian and Chinese spices which gives it a delicious taste. This is an easy recipe and is time efficient as it takes only 20 minutes to make. It is perfect for when you are craving something and you do not know what to make. So without further delay, let's get into the recipe. I'm going to start by taking approximately 2 jugfuls of water and I'm going to let this boil on a high flame. To this I'm going to add about a tablespoon or 2 of oil and a tablespoon of salt to make sure when we're boiling the spaghetti it does not stick to one another. Once your water has started to boil, you're going to add around 250 grams of spaghetti. At the start it is sticking out of the pan as you can see, but once it's boiled it automatically falls into place and comes into the pan. And as you can see it is perfectly boiled and ready to strain. You can boil this for however long you like, but when you boil it too much it will affect the consistency of your pasta and you'll have a sticky dish. I'm going to strain it here as you can see, and to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil over the top and just mix it in to make sure that when the spaghetti has cooled it doesn't stick. In a pan I've got about 4 tablespoons of oil, and once that's heated I'm going to add 1 cube or 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Using a wooden spoon I'm going to mix in the ginger garlic into the oil and make sure it is cooking well. Once it turns slightly golden and brown in colour, we're going to add in about 150 grams of chicken. You can use boneless chicken, I didn't want to, but that's up to choice. Once the chicken changes colour, you want to add in around 1 cup of finely sliced cabbage, 1 cup of finely sliced capsicum, and mix this with the chicken and garlic until the capsicum is soft. The cabbage will still have a slight crunch and we want this to ensure the texture. Now add in 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You can also add more if you want. I'm using 1 tablespoon. And later on here I'm adding about half a cup of chopped green beans. Giving this all a mix, making sure that it's all fully combined. All the spices and sauces are combined well with the chicken, cabbage, capsicum and beans. Once your chicken has cooked halfway or more than halfway and has released its water, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of honey chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. At this point you can also alter the amount of sauce you want. For example, you can add more ketchup if you like, or you can add more sweet chili sauce. I'm going to continue stirring the chicken until it's fully cooked, making sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And once the water is reduced and you can see the sauce release, you want to add in your boiled spaghetti. At this point, lower your flame to a low flame and mix in your spaghetti well with the chicken and vegetables. At this point, if you feel like your spaghetti is too dry, you can add in more sauce, such as a tablespoon more of ketchup or some more soy sauce. And that is it for today's recipe. We have the easiest chicken spaghetti. It's delicious and is very time efficient. If you're running low on time you can make this. It tastes wonderful. It is perfect for when you really want something but you're not sure what you want. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients. You can make it and throw it together with what you have in the house. Please like it. Let me know how it went for you. Make sure you try this recipe and enjoy it. And that is it for today's video guys. I hope you liked it. Please do try it and let me know how it went for you. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye.